Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and remove 12 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Remove one 3mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the daughterboard cable from the motherboard. Gently pull back to unplug the other daughterboard cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Remove the following screws from the motherboard, hinge, and bracket. Raise the hinge. Gently lift partway up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Raise the motherboard partway up, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the last daughterboard cable from the motherboard. Then peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Plug the keyboard cable back into the motherboard and replace the tape. Then plug the daughterboard cable back into the motherboard. Replace the motherboard back into its port slots, and be sure to get all the cables out from underneath. Replace the bracket, lower the hinge, and replace the following screws back into the motherboard, hinge, and bracket. Plug the speaker back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the two daughterboard cables back into the motherboard. And plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Lastly, plug the Wi-Fi card back into the motherboard. And replace the one 3mm screw. Plug the battery back into the motherboard and reapply the tape. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 12 6mm screws back into the bottom cover.